on, baby.
Light him up. Keep him going. Keep shooting, Danny. You're doing good. Clear it out. Alright, back up, covering right.
Goes Elmore. Nice try. Ooh.
Right in the back of the head.
Invisible fist bump. You got a lot of heart, man. You got a lot of heart.
What do you want?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Woo! Woo! Fist bumping it. Fist bumping it. Yeah!
You don't make it rain anymore?
I do. We do. We make it rain. Make it rain BBs.
Are you milsimjunkie?
No. Yes. What's up? You guys watching videos?
Yeah.
All of you? You guys got a little YouTube channel you want to shout out? Anybody you want to shout out? Say hi.
I don't have one yet.
Oh, dang. Dan got that 80s jacket on looking fly, man. Dang, that's awesome. High five, bro. Yeah. Coffer, so what kind of BBs do you use in your system? Very schmexy system. First of all, what kind of system is it?
It's a 7 PTW, the standard one, not the Max nor the Super Max, nor because I don't really use any high-powered cylinders at all, anyways.
Tell me a little about the bottle I gave you and how the performance is.
What I've been using lately, milsimjunkie is more than happy enough to lend me some Elite Force 5 BBs.
Premiums.
The Systema models are very picky with BBs. Usually I use like Matrix BBs, but so far, since they're a lot harder to get to, R1's able to give me some of these Elite Forces, and they work really well. They're very well polished, no feeding problems whatsoever. They fly really well. So I mean,
so what's in milsimjunkies, man?
Yeah, I mean, shout out to you guys. They work really well. So thank you very much.
Shout out to Elite Force. It's your boy's birthday? How old are you?
I'm turning 14.
Dude, you hella tall. Stand up, stand up, stand up. You hella tall. Damn! How tall are you?
I think I'm around like 5'9".
How long you been in airsofting?
I've been airsofting for about like 6 months now.
Okay, you liking it? Mm-hmm. What first got you in airsoft?
You?
The videos? Oh, that's awesome. How about you? Him? Yeah. But you said something earlier, you wanted a sniper rifle.
Yeah, I might get a sniper rifle because I had surgery on my hip.
Yeah.
So I can't really run like that, so I think I should just stay in the back and just snipe.
But you're still playing?
Huh?
You're still playing even though you got a certain... Well, awesome, bro.
I'm a soldier. I never give up.
Good, man. Good. Awesome. And you said something about a KWA. MP7?
Oh, yeah. I wanted to get the KWA gas blowback MP7.
How about the TM, man? What's wrong with the TM? TM?
I don't know.
Kind of pricey, though. Huh?
I didn't see it yet.
It looks nice. You should check it out.
Air splat.
Yeah. But man, I gotta say that watching you on the field, and I'll probably ended up editing it in the video, but you got a lot of heart, man. Playing hella hard. You playing hella hard, always behind the barrier. I'm like, dang, he's getting lit up behind the barrier, but he's still coming back.
Yeah.
Well, happy birthday, bro.
Thanks.
We'll see you more. Get that sniper rifle. Heal up. Cool.
Show me those pictures where he's punching me.
Scott. What are you doing? I don't know.
He's milsimjunkie.
You're milsim. Hi, welcome to milsimjunkie. I'm R1S.
Korean. Say it in Korean.
Out of the Korean.
Korea, milsimjunkie.
milsimjunkie. Watch him, subscribe. He's the best.
Yes.
Yes.
What does your girlfriend look like? Look like you, like a mirror image.
What was that?
Your girlfriend looks like a mirror image of you.
It's because we're a tactical couple.
Tactical couple. Aww. And here comes the creeper. Jeez, and that's the end of the video. I'm recording this via photo booth using my eyesight on my Mac. Just because it's really late at night. I'm trying to get this video done and up for you guys. Yeah, it's about 0 dark right now. So just doing this end slate for you real quick. As always at the end of the videos, I'm hitting you with more video links on this side, my previous day off video, and on this side, I believe my latest review, I think the AMD 65 by Echo 1. I want to say thank you guys, first of all, for watching. As I just checked, you know, the views count and the subscriber count, we're at 6.9 million views. That's huge. And I'll say thank you guys. I want to also say thank you to Elite Force Airsoft for making some of the best BBs I've ever used in any of my Macs. That's what I use. They have been supporting Milsim as of recently. They provided me with BBs to give to you guys when I meet you guys in person. In person. I also want to say thank you, and it's a way of giving back to you guys, to Revision. The guys at Revision, it's the eyewear that I use and I continue to use on and off the field. And somewhere on this page, either I'll have an annotation or even a link in the description box. I will link to their video that they provided me, and then I am told there is a promo code for a discount. I know it's good until November 21st, so definitely use it soon. But yeah, thanks to those guys, and thank you to you guys. And enjoy the videos, enjoy the holidays. I know everybody celebrates, oh, right now everybody's going to be celebrating Thanksgiving here in the U.S. And around the world, if you celebrate Christmas or whatever you celebrate in December, enjoy them. Weather here in California, believe it or not, is cold. It's not always sunny. But yeah, you guys enjoy the weekend. Play safe, play hard. And my name is R1S. Peace.